Okay, let's go.
What's up, little ducks? This is Coach Ruben back with another episode of Saturdays with Spy, guys. And let's go ahead and get started, guys. And let's go ahead and state the obvious. If you haven't been watching the market, you might have missed this, guys. We were in a nice, perfect channel headed up. And now, guys, we are on our way down. Check that out. Now, we are definitely in a downtrend, guys, and that channel is not looking like it's going to bounce anytime soon. But we might have a bounce here, potentially up into the 733 area, guys. That is halfway of the channel. Now, if we come up to the rest of the channel, guys, we're going to have to test a lot, and I know there's a lot of sellouts. I know we're selling off chips, guys, and everybody is taking profit. Why would they take profit, guys? Well, check this out. Look at this run, guys. $110, $118 move on SPY. Of course, people are going to start taking profit. So this downturn, when does it end? Now, if we take our Fibonacci tool, guys, and this is the second one here under Fibonacci, your trend base. Okay, we're going to take our trend base and we're going to go from the top to the bottom support they had here and to the actual rejection where they stopped, which was right there, guys. And it looks like we are at a support area. However, if they do break this here, guys, we are going to fall and it's not going to be pretty. Now, they did finish with a strong support on Friday, and they did come down all the way to about the 720 area, guys, but it looks like we closed up around 729. Now, you know what happens next, guys? We could potentially take another dip, and it's going to be a small dip, okay? Because there's going to be people getting out, especially the bears. If they can smell this bull run coming, the bears are going to get out, and it's going to be a quick dip. And then we'll start making another run to the top. Now, if you take your Fibonacci tool, guys, on the weekly and you measure that, we should be looking at about the 737 area for an actual run next week. This is based off of that the news is going to be on the side of the stock market, meaning that we have to control stuff in Iran and we have to make sure we understand what's going on with the bond market. And the dollar, guys, go look at the DXY. The dollar is climbing. Now, let me give you the bearish scenario, guys. So let's say that we end up at that 737 that we just talked about. Okay. At some point, guys, if we reject at 737, which is our top line here. Okay. Let's look at this around the 737 area, guys. We will make a run back down to the golden zone at 716, reject, and head down to the 703 area, guys. That is your bearish case if they cannot stop this sell-off, okay? Now, what happens if they go down that much, guys? Okay, still, this is a very, very bullish market, and there's nothing wrong with that, okay? So if we take our Fibonacci and we go from bottom to top, guys, okay, 703 is right in this golden zone area for the weekly. So they can still come down all the way to 681, guys. And there will be another bull run to go, guys. And that is going to be super nice. So stay patient. And if you understand the market, guys, this is not a big drop. Even if they go down to 703, you're talking about $30 drop. Remember, SPY's average to range is about $10 a day, guys. So that's about 2 or 3 days of bearish sentiment, guys, bearish drops. We can call it 3 days, not even a week, guys. They can be down here and then we're off to the races again. Now, if you own the Dominator, guys, you know that these put signals on the 2 hours is what I recommend if you're going to go bearish, okay? These put signals do not lie, guys. The Dominator Assistant, as soon as you get that signal, will verify it with a sell signal and a crossover under this white line, guys, like I've gone through it before. So if you use the Dominator, guys, you know these were the drops we've had in the last few weeks with SPY, okay? And so now, how far down will SPY go? Okay, these are great entries, guys, if you're trading options, if you're shorting shares, guys, but how far will it go down? I want to show you something that I've gone over in the past, guys, to show you how we go from here all the way to down here, guys. So this drop, let's just take my little measuring device here. We went down a total of $43, guys, and it looked like we did it a couple of times. Now, I've gone over this, like I said before, and I'm going to show you again, guys, trend-based fib extension. So I'm going to go from the top and I'll go down to the bottom where they found support, guys. And then wherever they reject it, I'm going to take the fib tool to that level, which is right here, guys, the 756 area. And you can see that 100% they were going to trend base down to this area around 718, guys. And sure enough, they got there. Okay. So next time you buy a put and you want to figure out how far down we're going to go down, guys, this tool is amazing. If you need help with the tool, I've got courses, guys. Click on the link in the description, enter my Discord for free, and we can start talking Fibonacci so you make better trades and understand the trend that is going on in the market. So let's cover this one more time, guys. We have two scenarios. Remember, we have the bullish scenario that takes us to 737 and the bearish scenario that takes us to 703. Make sure you're marking these off on your actual chart, guys, so it's a reminder no matter what time frame you are trading on, guys. And I want to show you real quick. Let's go over to the monthly chart, guys, and I want you to focus on the call signals. Okay, every time we get a call signal, guys, on this chart, we've seen a nice bull run up, guys. We just got one here a couple months ago, and I want to show you something that's going to make you think twice. Now, we've gone up from that call signal, guys, about 100, let's call it $115, guys. Okay. Now, if I take this and I put it on the next signal, guys, we are there, guys. Now, does that mean we're going to pull back? Potentially. Okay. But I'm going to share with you guys a little secret system I have. Now, if you take your attention over to my green triangles, guys, what does that tell you if you were to look at it? Okay. I've taken off the call and put signals, and I just want to show you my little secret system that tells me when we are getting bullish again, guys. Just because charts show you a downtrend does not mean the bull run is not going to continue. If I measure the moves up, guys, okay, we can tell from past history what the implied move might be. So the first one we look at, guys, is a 36% move up. The second one gave us a 16%, almost 70% move up, guys. Okay, now what should we expect on the third one? So let's just divide that in half, guys. So we take 36 and 16. We'll just call it an even 50. Let's expect a nice 25% move up, guys, from that green triangle. And I'll just keep going up and up and up and up and up and up, guys. And check it out. Okay. When I look at this, let me lower this so we get the entire 25% on this chart, guys. And when we go up here, guys, we are looking at an area of about 875, guys. Will we make it to 875? Well, you have some analysts, guys, that are already calling out. Okay. They're already calling out 840, guys. 840, which means that's 8,400 and SPX. And they are calling that out. Now, will that even happen, guys? I'm just going off of percentages. I'm going off of past history, which sometimes is very valuable. But let's go to our Fibonacci, guys. Okay, so let's say we fib this on the monthly and we go to our latest support, guys. Where does that take us? 847. Okay, so are the analysts right? Is Fibonacci correct? Is the percentage average correct, guys? We have three things that are telling us we still have a bull run left in us, guys, for the year. So my advice is look at your chart, guys, and make sure you understand what you see and make sure that you are using your tools to help you understand if these numbers are correct. For me, they are correct, guys. And I am still very bullish on the year. See you on the next video.